Where we're standing is our young plant facility. As you see, we grow quite a lot of different varieties. It's very important to us to find a lighting solution that is able to support all the different varieties that we grow. My name's Stephen Bryant. I'm the Director of Growing at the Plant Company in Stuart, Virginia. At the Plant Company, we grow premium houseplants with the Leaf Joy line of proven winners. Here in Stuart, Virginia, we do have very good weather. However, in days like today, it can be quite cloudy. With the Toplighting Compact, we can make sure that our production stays consistent year-round. The Philips Toplighting Compact, along with GrowWise, is fully integrated into our environmental control system through Hogendorn. It's seamless user interface. We're able to dial everything in, control intensity, any lighting periods. What you see here is our new rooting chamber. This is the very first rooting chamber of its kind. All of our production moves through this area, so it's very important for us to have consistent liners that have the best quality possible. With the Philips production module, along with GrowWise, we're able to go in, dial in exactly what light spectrum that we want, save it as a recipe, bring it over into our environmental controls, input it in, and in 5 minutes we have a brand new lighting recipe. We can increase blue light to have more compact growth. We can increase far red light to stretch some plants if they're a little behind. We're able to custom tailor all the environmental parameters that we need. The humidity, the CO2, any temperature that we need throughout the rooting chamber, and through the air movement that's in that area, we're able to keep it very consistent from the start to the end. As the main licensee of the Leaf Joy line of proven winners, we want to make sure that our young plants go to our grower partners with the best quality. Through our partnership with Philips in the Toplighting Compact and the production module, we've been able to custom tailor exactly what we need. Leaf Joy is really conscious of their impact on the environment as well as the sustainability of our operation. So we wanted to make sure that we chose a solution that we knew was going to preserve energy as well as deliver the results that we needed.